Well, hello everybody and welcome to Mariposa Makeup 13. I am so excited to be here back with you guys. And for the month of August, we're going to open up together the Ipsy Boxycharm and also Icon Box. I just received the package today, so I'm so excited to get into it and see what I got for this month. And also, I just wanted to remind you guys, I am gifted this subscription, but I also will have the link below, having like any details in case you want to sign up. And you could just use the link to sign up. It's not like I'm gonna get anything, but it just will help you to make it probably easier. Or I don't know if there's any discount, not sure, but it will. The link will be in the description for this video. And for this month of August, the theme is Return to the Wild. So I have my box here on the side, so you're gonna see me going to the side and trying to grab it. So the first package I have in hand right here, it is the Ipsy. So look, for this month, the Ipsy bag, it looks like this. It is adorable. I love how cute this is. Like, they always make it so unique, so different, right? So now let's get into unboxing it. And there's 5 deluxe samples, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 5 deluxe samples inside your Ipsy glam bag, which is amazing because, you know, it's a good chance to try products, and then after, like, if you love it, you go and you purchase the full size. So the first item I have here, this is a body lotion. This is from Memory or Memorite, I think, and this is how it looks. And yes, I definitely love body lotions, and this is like I think it's scented vanilla, and it says orange flower and sweet camosphere musk. So it has like a nice scent to it. And then my next item, it is, let's see what it is. It is the mini 4 eyeshadow palettes, and wow, look how gorgeous that is. I'm really loving the copper, and all these are, I think they're like, one is, this has shimmers a little bit to the shades, if you could see, and the other like are matte. So this is perfect for like if you want to do a nice day look. So yeah, I really love it. That's my second item. And now my third item right here, this is from Benefit. This is Fan Fest. So I think this is probably, yes, it's a mascara. I think this is a new mascara they just launched, and definitely excited to try this one because I've been seeing this one and people have been talking so good about this one that I really want to try this one. So let's go into the next item, and this will be, this is from Pores, and this is Poreless Skin Cream. So yeah, this is poreless gel, I think. Yeah, this is like a poreless skin cream, like it's saying there, and it has nice beautiful benefits, and I definitely am excited to try this one because I heard so much good about this brand that I really am excited to be trying this one. So nice. This is the last item. Yes, the last item, and this is Give Them Lala, and this is Beauty, and this is a brow gel. So this is a brow gel. So this is how it is right here. It still has the packaging, like I said. I just am opening this up with you guys here present. So let's go into the next item, the next package, which is the Boxycharm, which I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's 4 items or 5 items. We're gonna see now because sometimes, you know, I get mixed up, but I do fix it on the way. Let's open it up and let me get it. Well, now we're gonna open up the Ipsy by Boxycharm, and you guys, I really love how beautiful they changed the theme, like the color, the shades of the box. It gives it a nice, like beautiful aspect. It looks so nice. This is the Ipsy by Boxycharm, like I was saying, and it has 5 full-size products, and I will obviously have the details in the bottom of how much it costs each one. And let's see what I got for this month, for August. And wow, so nice. The first item I got here is the Moral, I think it's Moral it's called, and this is the Essential C toner. So I think this is basically, yes, I think this has vitamin C, which I definitely love having vitamin C in skincare. It's always a must in my skincare, so I'm really excited for this toner right here. And the next item, which I'm gonna drop the box right here, I'm gonna like not drop, but I'm gonna leave it to the side so I can show you. And this is right here is an eyeshadow palette. This is Buried in Cream Dreams, and this is velvet eyeshadow, but I can't. Oh, and Violet Voss, that's what I was trying to see, who is the brand for it. So look, this is how she looks, and now comes to the time to reveal. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Like, she is gorgeous. Look how beautiful. Like I am definitely loving how beautiful the shimmers. There's like yeah, there's 4 mattes and the rest are shimmers. Wow, definitely a must. I am excited to play with this beautiful eyeshadow palette. So this will be my second item in the box, and now we're gonna see my third item, and this would be, let's see, oh, this is Most Wanted, and this is from A State, and this is liquid lip balm. Ooh, I am actually recently saw this. I actually recently saw this in my Instagram, and oh my goodness, this was, I was like, I need to try this out. Look how nice that is. I want to check it out. No, it has no scent, it's unscented, but wow, look how beautiful. That's a nice lip balm. I definitely think this will be going into my purse, and I will be using this one daily because I like the shade. It's so nice. Always nice to keep the lips nice and moisture and, you know, give that beautiful glow. The next item, that's my third. The next item will be, this is Dew of Gods, and this is cucumber, collagen, and vitamin salt scrub. So this is body scrub. So nice. It's the first time I'm actually, I don't know if I did, maybe I did get something else from them. Maybe I did get a toner, I'm not sure, but probably from the same brand. So that would be, yeah, that's the fourth item, and this is the last item, which is the fifth. This is a stick blush, and wow, this is from Anastasia, sorry. Anastasia, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is, let me see. Oh wow, look how nice. Oh wow, look how beautiful that blush is. And this side is, yes, see, so we will probably be using this to, you know, to blend it out. But wow, I never had this. Looks so fancy. I never really had a blush in a stick like this. I always see from other brands, but wow, this is so nice and exciting because I definitely needed cream blush. So now we will be opening the last box, which is the icon box, and I think that box has, if I'm not mistaken, 8 items. So bear with me until, you know, I go get the box, which is here on the side. Let me get the box. It is, here we go. It is heavy. So this is the box for the icon box, and yep, and it has a paper. So we're gonna open it up right now, and we're gonna be seeing here, like I'm gonna put it here and take, oh, okay, so the first item I got, this is Olay Glow System, and this is Reset Spray. So I think this is, yeah, for the body, right? Oh, let's see if I could, let me, oh no, I can't, oh, it's closed up, so I think this is like a body spray. Yes, and it has so much good for the body to be spraying around, because this is a glow boosting ultra hydrating power for the remarkable natural nutrients that clean and powerful, you know, for your body. So I am excited because I love body mist and stuff like that. Yeah, so let's excited to try this first item. And this brand I never seen before, so this is like a new brand to me. And the next item, let's see, oh, Amika the Core. This is multitask repair treatment. So this is really nice for the hair care. That's really nice. It's like a multitasking repair treatment for stronger hair that has balance in body. Nice. I definitely love getting hair products because it's nice to also be taking care of the hair. So this is the second item. And the third item, this is Magic Serum Soothe and Strength. Let me see if I can open this one. Yeah, I guess this one, yes, but the other one I couldn't because it was closed. So this is it. This is how she looks. And this is a serum, which I really love using serums, and this I will be probably trying it out very soon. And the brand, I think it's I don't know exactly the name. I mean, it says here, but it's hard to define, like the letters, like the words. I will probably be tagging this more clearly in my Instagram, because yeah, like it's kind of like confusing, but it says magic serum, so I'm guessing it's magic, right? Let's keep it like that. The next item, this is from Wonder Beauty, and this is a Skyliner Duo, and this is oh, perfect. Okay, so these are eyeliners, and this is a tan line, so this is like a brown, and this is jet black. So there's 2 eyeliners in here. That's nice. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I showed you guys 4 items already. Yes, 4 items. Now this right here, this is a trio sponge set. Nice. I really needed new sponges, and this is like a nice sponge set here for the makeup, because I usually do apply my makeup with the sponges, and I also use brushes, but sometimes I find that when you blend a lot with the sponges, I think it looks more nicer. I don't know, but I do use both, but sometimes, you know, I just switch it around. One day maybe I use the makeup brush, or one day I just use the sponges, which are really nice to have. And the other item right here, oh, it's closed. I was gonna no, I think I will have it open it up. I will open this one up definitely when I have my post on Instagram, because since I just got the package, I don't have it open. So this right here is Toy Factory's Sunset. So this is a powder blush, and it says a built-in mirror, so I guess the blush is on this side and there's a mirror. Oh wait, no, it has, I think it has 4 shades. It's showing here. It says morning. Like, I definitely want to open this up, because it's like, what is a fun without opening it, right? Like, let's see if we can get this open here, and we will definitely get this open. Let's see. Yeah, almost there, you know. Like, I was not gonna be unboxing without opening something, right? It's so hard, like when the packaging is like, I know it's brand new and it's hard to like have it already out. And I said, you know what, oh, it's almost, yeah, just a little bit more. But no, we're not gonna miss out on opening the palettes here for the blush, because it's so exciting to get new blushes to play with, and I needed actually a new set. So let's, oh, the box is really tight. Maybe this side. Yeah, I got it. Sometimes they make the packaging so hard that you can end up breaking your nails because it's so hard. So here it is. So beautiful, the packaging. And now let's open it up. Wow, wow, it's gorgeous. I definitely needed to open this, because look at the blushes. They look so beautiful. Like, I needed new powder blushes, because I only have one on hand, which is from Lawless, and this is from the watermelon collection, and it is gorgeous. Like, I use it, it's always there on my makeup, but today I did not apply it because I wanted to do something quickly and show you guys this lovely boxes that I received from Ipsy, their packages. So we got this done, and it is gorgeous. I'm telling you, it is so beautiful. And yeah, we have 2 more items. And this item right here, this is from Lawless. This is a Forget the Filler Pumpkin Lip Gloss. So this is Rosy Outlook. Let's see if yeah, very easy. See, I like when packages are like so easy to open, and you could just, you don't have to struggle with this, like what happened to me right here. And it is clear. It's kind of like a clear, yeah, and it has a nice like vanilla scent, and it's so nice. I have actually, I think I have 2. The one I'm wearing is from Lawless lip gloss, and also I have the one from the watermelon collection. So yeah, this is nice to get another lip gloss from them. And the last item, will be from Huda Beauty, and this is let's see. Let's see, to take this out. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to get this out. Oh wow, so this has double sizes. I guess this side is the mascara, and this side is the I don't know. it looks like they're both the same. I mean, one says length lashes and the other says volume mascara. So I guess it's 2 mascaras if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, that was my son. He was here trying to get a box of mine. But yeah, this is all I got for the Ipsy month of August, and I definitely love everything I received. I'm excited to be playing with the eyeshadow palette, and the blush palette is so beautiful. So I hope you guys continue to enjoy this lovely month of August and have enjoy, like, you know, the bit that we have from summer. And if you guys got anything similar to my boxes here, or the glam bag of Ipsy, let me know in the comments. Or if you like anything you saw, let me know as well. But thank you guys for always watching and giving me all the support I need, and we'll be here soon. I would definitely wish to be here soon, like sooner, like, you know, bring you some other content, but sometimes it gets so busy that I don't get a chance, but I will do my best too. So thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day, and take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.